Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In today's video, we're doing a short sculpted acrylic set. This is our first time getting acrylic nails. This is my client's sister's nails, and this was for her graduation. She didn't want me to cut her natural nails, so I went ahead just round them off just a bit so the form could fit perfectly under there without any gaps. So that's what I did. I'm going in with my 100-180 grit nail file just to round them off, and then I'll go straight in with my medium cuticle barrel bit to exfoliate her entire nail. She does wear press-ons on a regular basis, but she has never really gotten a thorough cuticle prep, so I went in with my flame bit just to push her cuticles back and open them up just a little bit, and then I went in with my nipper to nip away the dead cuticles, and my round head cylinder bit to soften that cuticle that I nipped. And then I went straight in with my prep. I dehydrate with alcohol and acetone mix that I like to use, Young Nail Protein Bond, and then I went in with my gel bottle rubber base before applying the nail forms. So after I applied all our forms, I went in with Young Nail Cover Pink, Frosted Pink, and there's Peak Clear. And this is the color that I got. I went in with the first bead closest to her cuticle, and I took it all the way down to the tip of her nail. She wanted them on the shorter side, which I thought I was doing. But once I took the form off, they were still a bit too long. So I went in with my fine carbide bit to reduce the length just a little bit more, just to make them comfortable for her. So here I'm going in with a second bead at the base of the nail where free edge and the form meet, just to make sure I don't have any stress cracks in that area. And I also like to go ahead on the sides to cap the sides in, just to make sure I don't have any gaps created from the form and the free edge, and that reduces the chance of the nail snagging. So that's all I did. I'm making sure I'm using the side of my brush to keep the shape of the nail. I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial weekend. I am slowly getting back in the swing of things. I could feel it coming. It's just slowly happening, which I appreciate. I'm ready to get my schedule back to me having full control, but the stillness is coming. I can feel it after my state boards. I'm not sure what's next, but once I get that stillness that I'm looking for, I'll be able to evaluate and figure out the next step. So just to give you guys a little update, I hope you guys enjoy this week's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. Chat with your girl. For the design, we went in with a classic French. I used Melody Susie White from the collection that I received from them, and then I went in with D&D Take a Vow and Young Nail Stain Resistant top coat for her top coat. We cleanse afterwards with a lint free wipe. I did go in and file afterwards just to sharpen up the free edge of the nail, make sure everything looked nice and crispy, and that completed the set. I hope you guys enjoy this week's tutorial, and I'll be back next week with the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and until my next one, see you later.